It's your girl, Super Cindy. Welcome to SuperCindyOnline.com, the hottest website in the world. Let's get into the dirt. Wow, over the weekend, Christina Milian finally came clean, stating that her and The Dream are actually a couple, as if we all did not know, and that they were actually engaged. Yeah, engaged. Now, the pictures are coming out. They're finally showing affection, finally kissing each other and all that good stuff. But you know what? I gotta rep Dade County to the fullest. 305 MIA, okay? Let me tell you something. I've met Christina Milian a couple times before, and that was only because she was with Dre in a club or at a party, whatever. And I'm a fan of Dre and Christina. Now, maybe their album that they made together didn't work well, and I don't know what happened behind the scenes, but all I'm saying is that I really like Christina and Dre. That's my favorite couple. I mean, didn't they look so happy together? Look at the lovey-dovey, the huggy. He was so tall. She felt so protected. And then she's with The Dream. Okay, I just want to hear what album they come up with. What hit is Dream gonna give Christina? I want to know. But you know what? As I started looking at these pictures of Dream and Christina, and then Dre and Christina, look at the ring that Christina has on her finger when she's with Dre. Nice little fashion jewelry from HSN, Home Shopping Network, QVC type ring. Look at the ring that she has on with The Dream. Her engagement ring is a 6-carat ring from Ivanka Trump's jewelry line, according to Us Weekly. 6 carats? It's all about the veggies, Dre. Sorry you lost her. You looked happy. I even heard you guys bought a house together. I don't know what went down, but I'm really sad about your breakup. SuperCindyOnline.com, the hottest website in the world.